Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to embed audio in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to embed your audio file on. Now, go to drive.google.com to upload your audio file here. Simply click on this new button. Then select File Upload, locate your audio file on your computer and double click it. Your video is uploading now. Wait a moment. When your audio file uploading is completed, go to My Drive. This is your audio file. Double click it. It will open up like that. Now click on these three dots and select Open in New Window. This is an important step in order to get the embed code. Select Open in New Window. And in this step, click again on these three dots and you will see Embed item. This is the code to copy. Make sure to copy all the code using Command A on Mac or Control A on PC to select all the code and hit copy. Now go back to Google Sites and click on this embed element from the Insert tab. Select Embed Code and paste your code here. Click on Next. You will get a preview of your embedded code. Click on Insert. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites. Additional features, like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Click on Insert and your audio file will be embedded to your site. Now click on Publish to save your changes. Hit Publish again and let's view this website live. Let's play our audio file. I'm sure that you will not hear this audio file, but as you can see, the time is running. And this is how to embed an audio file in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.